Hey you all, welcome back to our YouTube channel Soulful Art. To start with, I want to thank each one of you for the response on my previous video. Today I am going to review about Brustro Acrylic Color. So these are the colors and I am going to review it in a very detailed manner. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Talking about the packaging of the product is good. About the shades, each tube contains 12 ml of the product. I am going to swatch these colors to test out the pigmentation. So let's get started. As we can see, the very little amount of the product delivers such bright results. With no doubt, colors are very pigmented and bright. Overall, I say these colors are perfect for beginners and artists to get hands on. They are of really good quality and I surely recommend these colors. I am using 300 GSM watercolor paper as they are perfect for acrylic too. Thank you for joining me in today's video and I hope it was informative. I have added the link in the description box from where I got these color from, and they are from Amazon. You can also purchase them from Creative Hands Art and Supplies. I have also added the link of my Instagram and Facebook page in description box below. Do visit it. So before ending the video, I just want to show you the painting. Here it is. To be very honest, I have never used acrylic color, not even the watercolor, as I am only used to oil pastel and sketches. So this is my first one. I really want you guys to give me suggestions and review about it. So in the end, I just want to say you make sure to like the video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.